only have nails on one hand because I was taking pictures with this hand in the photo and this one was holding the camera so you couldn't see this one. Hey guys, it's beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is an exciting one because I am announcing a giveaway with STROBE Cosmetics. Ooh, they're backwards. With STROBE Cosmetics. So this is super exciting because Chloe, the owner of STROBE, said that she would be willing to sponsor a giveaway for me. So that's what's happening. I'm going to give away a Creepy Q palette and a Divinity palette, and it will be going on my Instagram. So you have to follow me at beccaboo318. All the rules and everything will be listed over there. I created a look today using both of the palettes together, and I'm like obsessed with this look. I love the way it turned out. If you want to see how I got it, please keep on watching and let's just go over that. Alright guys, for my base I laid down the P. Louise Rumor 2 base. Now I'm going into Divinity and I'm starting off with Milda, and I'm taking that on a blending brush and kind of packing that into the crease. I always found that working with the P. Louise base, you kind of want to start with the darkest shade first and then kind of blend up. Now jumping into Creepy Q, I'm taking the shade Creep It Real. And you guys, these are so pigmented. You really don't need like tons and tons of product. And I'm going to be blending out the previous shade, and actually I'm going to take this super high on my brow bone, like pretty much up to my eyebrow, because I thought it looked pretty cool. Then I'm going to be adding more of Milda to build up that depth. Going to be taking the P. Louise base yet again to cut my crease, and also shade number 2 is so much different than shade number 1 because I always had shade number 1 before, but I just got shade number 2. It's actually a lot thinner and easier to use, so if you're unsure of what shade to get, I will get the original, which is shade 2. So then I just take another concealer brush and kind of blend it into the skin. And now I'm going to be taking Strawberry Milk from Creepy Q, and I'm adding this to the inner corner of my eye. Then I'm picking up Third Eye from Creepy Q, and I'm going to be packing this on the inner half of the lid. And I'm taking that on a MAC 239 brush. Next, I'm picking up Aphrodite from Divinity, and I'm adding this next to the previous shade. And I think that this shade is pressed the tightest in the pan because it's a little hard to get like a lot out of it, if that makes sense. So it did take me a while to kind of build up that shade there. And of course I go back and forth with the orange as well to make sure that they're blending. Now I'm going to pick up the shade Freya from Divinity, and I'm going to layer this on the outer corner of the eye. And then I'm going to go back and blend. Next I'm taking Planchette from Creepy Q, and I'm adding this to the inner third of my lower lash line. And then I'm picking up Hathor and just highlighting the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm picking up Katesh, I think maybe, the purple shade. And I'm adding this to the other half of the lower lash line. And then I'm going to pick up more of Freya and kind of join it together, the upper and lower lids. Next, I'm throwing a purple liner in my waterline. And now we're going to do some liner. I'm taking Sugar Pills Anti-Socialite Liquid Lipstick, and I'm just drawing this along my lash line. And then I'm taking Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Liquid Glitter Liner in Catcall, and I'm drawing this in the crease. Next, I just popped on these Huda Beauty lashes, and this is the finished look. Alright guys, this is the completed look. I literally have these two palettes all over my face. My brows, I used Milda and Bastet from Divinity. And I also used, I want to say it's like Roddy or Ratty. I should look this up. But I used that like for my contour, and I really like that, the way that turned out. And I used Strawberry Milk from Creepy Cute for my blush. So cute. And I also highlighted my face with Hathor from Divinity. So I literally have these two palettes all over my face, and I really like the way that it turned out. I'm really happy with it. And also, if you guys want to enter the giveaway, don't forget to check that out on my Instagram. And that's about it for me. Oh, do you want to know what's on my lips? Sure, why not? I mixed together Pixie's Prettiest Pink and Au Naturel matte liquid lipsticks on my lips. I like it. I like it a lot. Also, the wig will be listed down in the description box as well. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.